In this video, I'm going to share 3 secret tax strategies that you can use in your online business right now to save thousands of dollars in taxes every single year. If your accountant isn't employing these strategies to save you money every single year, then you're going to want to listen in so you can learn exactly how you can shelter your business from overpaying in taxes with these methods. Hi, I'm Brian Nguyen, and I'm a tax advisor with CleverProfits. Welcome to our channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs to learn the best financial strategies to help grow their online business. If you like what you hear, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get to it. Now, we have tons of clients that are coming through our door every single day. And when we hop on our tax strategy calls, part of our Profit Accelerator program, I just shake my head in disbelief for all the opportunities that they miss to actually save money in taxes. So today I'm going to show you 3 different strategies that we go through for every single client to see if they apply to actually save them almost $10,000 or more with these tactics. Let's go ahead and get into it. The first strategy that I want to share with you is called the home office deduction. And the home office deduction is amazing, especially if you are an online entrepreneur who exclusively works from home in a dedicated office space that you use to perform your work. The way it works is really simple. You can allocate a portion of your monthly rental and utilities expenses to your home office, or the square footage of the space that you're using to actually perform your work, as a proportion of your total square footage, and take a deduction for it against your overall business income. It's really awesome. I'll give you an example. Let's say you're able to deduct and allocate $500 a month to your home office. That adds up to being about $6,000 per year in deductions, which can easily translate to $2,000 in savings or more. That's pretty phenomenal for doing something that you're already doing at home. And all you need to do is just make sure that you have it documented and that you're actually transferring that money from your business account to your personal account, especially if you have an S corporation. That'll make life so much easier for you when you actually come down to tax time. The second strategy that I want to share with you is called the Augusta rule. And this one is also great for online entrepreneurs, especially if you host events in your personal residence, or if you have photo shoots or video shoots, if you're doing YouTube advertising, if you're just doing content creation in general, you're going to want to take advantage of this. The general rule is pretty simple. If you rent out your personal residence for 14 days or less in a year, you don't have to include that as rental income in your tax return. It's excluded from your return, and it's not even anywhere on your tax return, really. And the play is this. If you rent your personal residence to your business for a business purpose, your business can claim a deduction for it for the amount that it pays you to rent your space, and you don't have to recognize it all in income, which makes it a straight deduction. So what we do is we advise our clients who are doing things like video shoots, photo shoots, content creation within their own properties to have their business pay them back for it, because you might as well. Think of it the alternative. You can go out and go to a third party and rent out a space dedicated exclusively for what you're doing and pay a fortune for it. Or you could just have your business pay you back for what you're already using it for. So you might as well claim a deduction. So imagine this, if you're able to rent out your space for $500 a day for 14 days in a year, that's $7,000 in deductions, and that translates to $2,000 to $3,000 in taxes saved just from the Augusta rule alone. It's amazing, especially for online entrepreneurs. The last secret strategy that I want to share with you is a little less common and requires you to have children. That's right. I want you to hire your kids in your business. The way that it works is if you hire your children to do work in your business, or if you hire them for a photo shoot or a video shoot, which is pretty common if you are an influencer in your space, is you can have your business pay them as deductible compensation against your business income. The beauty of it is that the first $12,000 that your kids generate in income on their own personal taxes is not subject to income tax at all. It's amazing. If you structure it correctly, it's not going to be subject to FICA or Medicare either. The way that it works is simple. You just have to hire them and document the purpose that they're actually doing work for the business. So if they're actually doing administrative work or if they're doing a photo shoot, give them a fair rate and make sure that it's documented and that adequate payroll records are measured. And if you have multiple children, well, you can hire each one of them and potentially compensate them up to $12,000 per child. that can easily translate to $3,000 or more in actual tax savings. And that's not all. Your children can actually contribute to a tax-advantaged retirement account like a Roth IRA because they now have a source of earned income from the work that they're doing in your business, which can protect and shelter their money in a retirement portfolio that can be tax-free. When they come of age, they can either take the original principal out tax-free, or they can let it continue compounding and grow like a mini trust fund until they retire, which can grow substantially over a 50 or 60 year time horizon. It's that easy. So I highly encourage you to take a look at these 3 different tax strategies. If you liked what you hear and you want to take advantage of more tax strategies, we have so many more videos on the channel that are going to be coming out explaining how we help our clients save tons of money. And you can check out the videos by hitting that like, share, subscribe button and go into the next one right here.